same brush. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Clovers and thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. This look is something that I tried today. This is the first time I was ever trying this eye look and I really like how it turned out. So basically, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so as usual, I already went off camera and I did my brows, so we're gonna go straight into the eye look. So I'm just gonna go into concealer. I want to make sure that I prep my eyelids first before I go into anything at all. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I'm just gonna put some of that on my eyelid and blend it out. Guys, you want to make sure that you don't swipe your brushes, okay? Don't swipe when you blend, okay? You don't swipe, you don't do that. We don't do that in this household, okay? Just tap, tap, like so. If you swipe, that's when you get patchiness sometimes, and then you get some streaks of brushes, or like you just get the bad things, I don't know. But you just want to make sure that you tap your brushes when you blend. Next, we're just going to go into our contour palette. I finally decided what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go into my contour palette that is in shambles at the moment. This is the Zaron Face Definer and I am in the shade XD20. I'm going to go into the contour shade and I'm going to blend that into my crease. I want to go in with another color. I don't know. We're gonna go back into our brush that we used to set our concealer, and I'm just gonna be patting that on the inner portion of my eyes, just to, you know, lighten up that area a little bit. I'm going to go in with the highlight shade in the palette, in the contour palette, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. Next, I'm going to go in with eyeliner. Today, I'm going to be using the Yanga Beauty eyeliner. We did it! We did it! I'm going to be switching products, okay? I'm not going to be using that eyeliner anymore because it is not perfect for what we're about to do. I'm going to go into a lipstick. And I'm going to be taking a very tiny angled brush. I'm going to be putting some of that lipstick at the back of my hand. I'm going to take that on the brush. I'm actually very mad because this lipstick is not as dark as I thought it was. I don't hate it at all. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do the other eye, apply some lashes, and I'll be back. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some primer onto our face. This is the Nuban Beauty primer, mattifying base. Just gonna blend that in. So next, we're gonna go into this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and I'm in the shade 365, and I'm just gonna blend that all up into my face. Okay, so obviously a little goes a long way because I took very tiny of this, and then there is still like product to my hand. So next, I'm gonna be going in with concealer, and I'm gonna just put that on the areas of my face that I would like to highlight. Next, we're going to go into this RCMA no color powder, and I'm going to be setting my entire face with it. Next, I'm going to be going back into our contour shade that we used in our eyes earlier, and I'm going to be using that to contour, of course. Next, I'm going to be going into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be using this orange shade. Not orange, this is a peach shade, I believe. So I'm just going to be taking some of that, and I'm going to be using that as my blush today. After all of that is on my face, I'm going to go in with this very big brush, and I'm going to put that into some powder. Now this powder is broken, and this is the only cool powder I have. So, well, it's pouring away. Anyways, this is the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder. It kind of matches. Oh yeah, it does match the foundation. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me matte and poreless powder, and it's in the shade 370. I'm just gonna take some of that and use that to wipe away the rest of my face. Now, do you see this finish, you guys? Like, do you even see it? So guys, I never go into nose contour, but today I blended my nose like I don't have sense. I blended the concealer all over my nose. So I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of nose contour, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna be using the same brush that we used for our crease earlier, and I'm gonna be taking that onto my nose. Just draw this down a bit. Oh my god, you guys, I actually don't know how to do nose contour. I don't know how to. I never learned. Is it that bad? Tell me the truth. Just let me know in the comment section if this is that bad, because okay, so I went ahead and put some highlight on my face, and then now I'm gonna just set everything in with my Morphe setting spray. I can never get used to the taste of it. Oh, I probably should have taken this off. Let's just do that very quickly. After that is all complete, I'm gonna go in and put some lipstick. Today I'm gonna be using this random, oh, it's not a random lipstick, it's a classic lipstick, and this is the shade Hot Flame. I'm just gonna use that to line my lip-ish. Next, I'm going to be going in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London, and I'm just going to be putting that in the inner corner, inner parts of my lip. Just put a little bit of gloss on it. We didn't do our lower lash line. Who does that? Chloe, who are you? Like, I'm just going to put some eyeliner in the waterline on my bottom lash line. Okay, so guys, that completes today's look. I hope you did enjoy it as much as I did. I like how it turned out. I really like how it turned out. I never attempted this look before, and I just like how it turned out. If you have any comments whatsoever, any questions, suggestions, anything at all, let me know in the comments section, and I'm going to get to it as soon as you give it, okay? So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.